Beautiful. Very happy and vibrant dog. This is a mixed breed dog. I wouldn't say a mongrel, but a mixed breed.
See him?
So he's not just a mongrel, he's mixed with some hybrid dog. Very vicious dog too, bold and brave. And his name is Dog Mykil.
Come here, boy.
Yeah.
Hey,
our dog on.
Good dog. This is the best dog you could ever have, yeah, boy? Best dog for protection you could ever have. This dog, yeah, you see, yeah?
Job is covenant production,
best dog you can have for protection, me tell you that.
That's another
business
I think I can go into.
Good.
Dog training and raising.
Come on.
Because I think I have a good hand with that. See, a lot of people don't know, but there's a special medicine that you feed these dogs with, and you got to give them on a daily basis. And that medicine is love. Yeah, every dog wanna know this. You have to love your pet, right? If you don't have a genuine love for them, you're gonna kill the dog or whatever, kill the pet spirit. See, so that's the main thing. Where any Dog Mykil.
Take up my stick. This way.
Yeah.
Come on.
Dog on.
Good dog. Good dog.
Very good protective dog. See, and happy and healthy, fit
good
and
dog.
risky.
I'm ready. I'm ready.
Dog.
Come on.
Yeah. The champion dog, good for protection.
Ready. Come on. Ready to go.
Could sell this
ready,
dog
ready.
a long
Come on.
time ago.
Ready.
A lot of people asking for money.
Ready. Come on.
So
let's
we
go.
have a few.
Come on, this way.
Enemy dogs
right.
to see us. Enemy dogs
come on.
to see us. These dogs with some jealous dogs. See, because I'm locking style all the time.
Come on, ready.
And anytime my dog come by now, it's a big problem.
Go.
See?
Go.
I'm actually.
Wait for me. Wait for me.
Couple of them biting.
Alright. Nice house.
Put a punch a hole
nice gate.
in her neck. On 2 occasions. Two separate set of dogs. See?
Wait. Nah. And jump.
New color and thing. But this house is a house, anytime I pass this house, Jackie like this house. So that's the kind of house that she like with Get in. Come here, boy.
See, I'm gone back over the front. Stay inside.
See, Marley, see one of them?
A whole heap of dog over there, you know. Take over the place. But I'm my friend. And dog friend.